Hello everyone. If your Arlo camera keeps going offline again and again, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that are working in 2026. Now many Arlo cameras connect through a base station or smart hub and not directly to Wi-Fi. So you can just simply open the Arlo application and check if your base station is online. If it is offline, you can check the power and the Ethernet cable. You can restart the base station and make sure that your internet is working. If the hub is offline, all of the connected cameras will also show offline. The Arlo cameras are very sensitive to the signal quality. So if the camera is too far, it may connect sometimes and disconnect randomly, or it may show offline completely. So you can try moving the camera closer temporarily. If it works, you will need better placement or a Wi-Fi extender. Also, avoid placing the cameras near the thick walls, metals, or interference sources. Low or unstable battery can also cause the frequent disconnections. So if your camera is fully dead, the weak battery can make it go offline. Now, in 2026, the router settings are the major causes of the online issues. So you can just simply check your router and make sure that you disable the smart connection, which is band steering option. Make sure that you use the 2.4 gigahertz network. Also make sure that the AP isolation is turned off and avoid any hidden Wi-Fi networks. Also consider reserving an IP for your Arlo system. The Arlo cameras rely on the consistent upload speed. So if your network is busy, video streaming or backups can interrupt the connections. You can enable QoS in your router and prioritize your camera or hub. So you can try these methods and see if your Arlo camera is back online again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.